In this session, let's try to understand what is the issue in case if you design the method by using the task. So as you've seen in this program, in the main method, whenever I'm executing, the first thing is that I am connecting to the task. After that, I am simply executing the one statement in the console window. Then I am passing that console window by using the console.readline. So you are seeing the program here, which is taken by using the one real-time case study. So this program is about to meet the friend at coffee shop, right? So first of all, try to understand. Here I call to the my friend to come to the coffee shop. Okay. So he said that it will take around some time. Let's assume that some 10 minutes kind of that. Okay. So here in the coffee shop, meanwhile, I mean in the 10 minutes time, I would like to see the some messages in my mobile. Okay, so this is the program. So in simple terms, I am at coffee shop. I called my friend. He said that it will take around 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I am checking the messages in my mobile phone. So this kind of communication I did by using the C# program. Okay, so the first step here in the meet up the friend, I prepared the one statement here that asking the friend to come to the coffee shop. Then here one task has designed. In the task, first 5 seconds I am waiting here. After that I am trying to print the one message that is friend is coming, he is on the way. So once the task is completed here, once the task is designed completed, I am printing the one simple statement that is friend is reached at the coffee shop. So once this task is completed, once the meet my friend method has executed, after that I just simply I am messaging the I am checking the messages in the phone. I mean I just did the some parallel statement in the main program. Okay. So after that I prepare the just console.readline, which is useful for to pass the my console window, right? So this is about the program. Now if you see the output, okay, anyway I need the 5 seconds time to after the 5 seconds time this friend is coming, he's on the way. Yeah, I got the output right here. uh, but if you see the program, I don't have any issues in this program. Even I don't have any build errors or anything. I don't have any compile time errors also. But when I'm seeing the output, okay, that is not in the good. I mean, I whatever I am seeing the statements, this is not in the proper order. Okay, so here what is not proper in this order in the sense, say here the target is that I asked my friend to come to the coffee shop. So he said that to me, I'm coming, on the way. So meanwhile I would like to see the messages in my phone, then friend is reached to the office, right? This is the target, but the thing is that the way of executing these statements, that is not in the proper order, right? That is the main issue here in this output. Okay, so to resolve this issue, what I would like to hear in the sense, I wanted to write down the one kind of wait method after the task. Okay, so let me add the task dot wait. So here what is the use case of this wait method in the sense, so once I'm going to write down the wait method here, I would like to pass the program execution exactly at line number 17. sometime. So here when I'm going to use the wait method, it is blocking the program up to 5 seconds. After that, anyway, after the wait is completed, then I can see this message. Okay. And moreover, keep in mind, line number 27 is the very important. I am writing this statement outside of the task, not within the task. Okay, this is completely outside of, this is a parallel statement, okay, of the meet my friend. Okay, now if you see the output again, okay, let me close the console window, existing close window, and if you see the output, so now that's fine. So now I'm asking the friends to come to the coffee shop. I'm waiting for 5 seconds. Yeah, friend is coming. He's on. I mean, I got the message like he's coming. He's taking some 5 seconds. That kind of information I got it. So come to the. He came to the coffee shop. But the problem is that once he reached the coffee shop, I am seeing the message in my phone. Okay, but my plan is that here once he is in on the way, okay, I would like to, when he is in on the way, I would like to see the my mobile. Okay, I don't want to see my mobile once he reached the coffee shop. Okay, so because of when he is in on the way, I am alone, right? So in the on the time I can see the messages in my phone. Okay, I don't want to see the check the my phone once he reached the coffee shop, right? So but the again there is something wrong to execute this program. I mean the way of executing the statements in the console window, I think that is not in the proper order. Now to fix this issue, so this program is not suitable to me because of here the main drawback of in this program, in the I mean in this method, that is the task. Okay, task, I'm using the task, I'm saying that wait method. When I'm going to see the wait method, what is happening here, it is completely blocking the my program execution. So once it is released, then only I can execute the other statements. Other statements in the sense here, this is I am checking the messages in my phone. Okay. So what is happening exactly here in the sense? So whenever I'm calling the meet my friend, anyway, it is connecting to the method. The first step is I can see this statement in the console window, right? After that, after the 5 seconds, okay, I can see this message, right? After 5 seconds, okay. After that I am blocking the main thread. Okay, wait. So when I'm going to wait position, what is happening, right? So this is statement line number 27, I unable to execute in the console window. That is the main problem here. Okay, so to avoid this issue, I mean, even I would like to wait, I would like to execute this statement. Okay, so whenever I'm going to use the wait statement here, wait method, what's happening, I unable to execute the other works in this program. Okay, so this is the issue, right? So to fix this issue, there is a one keyword in the C# .NET, that is the await. Okay, so await also, which is useful for to wait the your program, but the problem is here I don't want to block the other works, right? So that is the reason I'm using the await keyword. Await is the one kind of a code marker in the C# .NET, which is help us to unblock the your program execution, so that what you can do, right, you can execute the other works. I mean here you can execute the I am checking the messages in the phone. Okay, so that is the that for that I'm using the await keyword. So once you are going to await keyword, your method signature should be decorated by using the async keyword, right? So whenever you are using the await keyword within the your code block, you should use the async keyword in the method signature. Okay, so async and await both are the keywords in the C# .NET, which is useful for to unblock the your program execution. So here, once I am using await keyword here, you no need to use the wait method After the task, you just remove the wait method. That's okay, fine. After that, line number 19. So once you are going to decorate the task with the async, you no need to return the task. You just uncommented that. That's it. Okay. So what is happening right now here in the sense, again, whenever I'm communicating to the this method, that is the meet my friend, the first statement anyway it is executing the first statement. Then this task is executing, right? So here I am waiting, I am using the await keyword. Okay, while you are using the await keyword, what is happening, right? You no need to block the current main program. I mean, you no need to block the program execution. So so that is the reason what will be happening, right? That is the reason I can execute the other works. I mean, I am checking the messages in my phone. Okay, so now if you see the output, let me close this console window again. If you see the output, now you see that, right? I am asking the friend to come to the coffee shop immediately, using this await task. So what is happening, it is not blocking the program execution, right? In case it is not blocking the program execution, what will be happen, I can do the other works in the sense, here I am checking the message in my phone. Okay, so anyway, now after that friend is coming, he's on the way. So then a friend is reached to the coffee shop. So in this way, you can understand the program, right? So the main important problem is here that you should not use the task.wait. If you use the task.wait method, it will be block the your program execution. So to replace that, you should use the await keyword, which is useful for us to unblock the your current program execution, so that you can execute the other works.